A hard-sided, insulated slide-in camper that weighs only 638 pounds, that's pretty impressive stuff. Hey everyone, Dylan from Juniper Overland here. Today I have something exciting to share with you, the new Tuktut from Scout Campers. In this video, I'll introduce you to the camper, what makes it so unique, its versatility, and the available options. We have two versions of the Tuktut here, a base or shell model that's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, and a well-outfitted version. This one is equipped with a number of factory options as well as the Goose Gear Upfitted cabinetry. So, what makes the Tuktut so special? Well, first off, coming in at 638 pounds, it's the lightest hard-sided slide-in camper on the market today. Scout saw a gap in the market and their product line for mid-sized trucks, needing an incredibly lightweight camper that can meet lower payload capacities. This means that minimal suspension modifications are needed to comfortably run the camper, and it puts less wear and tear on your vehicle in the process. This camper's smaller profile means it could be mounted on a wide range of trucks like the Toyota Tacoma, Jeep Gladiator, Ford Maverick, Ford Ranger, and even the Rivian R1T. The other standout difference from their past offerings is that the Tuktut can be purchased as a shell model, meaning it can be customized exactly to your needs. It can be a bit confusing if you're already familiar with Scout's other models, because normally they all come with standard features like galley kitchen, dinette that converts into another bed or couch, the Hakey skylight, and Dometic venting fan. Scout did this to drastically bring down the cost of this camper to only $16,500. When the next size model up starts at $22,500, that's a big price jump when you may only want some of the standard features. If you're looking into purchasing a Tuktut, keep these differences in mind when comparing its value to other models of Scout campers or other brands entirely. To bring down the weight and make it fit 5-foot truck beds, the dimensions of the camper have been slightly shrunk in all ways. The Tuktut loses 2.5 inches of interior height, the bed shrinks from 50 by 72 to 42.5 by 69.5, and the interior width shrinks from 74 3/4 to 72 1/4 inch. When you consider the Yoho is another 300 pounds heavier dry, these sacrifices don't seem quite as much. If you're a taller individual, the Tuktut just may be too small for your needs. But if I'm being honest, if you're tall enough that the Tuktut is too short, the trucks you would mount this camper in are probably too small for you as well. But enough about what makes them different. Why don't we take a look at both of these campers? Let's start with the base model, which is essentially a blank canvas for customization. If you're someone who loves DIY projects and wants to build your dream camper, the Tuktut is the perfect choice. Being the only camper that Scout makes without the normal list of standard features, it means that not only is the price far lower than the next model size up, the Yoho, but it also means that you can outfit this to meet your exact needs. Someone with more of a minimalistic approach could add only the bare necessities, or a seasoned camper with a full collection of camping gear can use their own equipment instead of buying duplicates of the same thing. Either way, a lower entry price means that it opens up the world of hard-sided slide-in campers to a whole new group of adventurers. Starting with the outside, you'll see that a base unit comes with only the necessities: 4 walls, a door, 2 windows, and the ratchet straps to tie it all down. On the inside, all you'll see are the performance fabric cushions that make the benches in bed. This unit does have one factory upgrade installed, the Portaledge bunk extensions. The Tuktut's all-new powder-coated Portaledge bunk extensions allow for a full 77.5-inch sleeping length and features a new MOLLE design for storage when in the stowed position. For a lot of people, this may be what they need to get out and explore. Most people have a whole garage filled with camping gear, so just toss your gear in and go. As you can see, the base unit has plenty of space to start from for any build-out, like custom cabinetry or storage solutions. But if DIY just isn't your thing, you can outfit your Tuktut from the factory like this next camper. So this unit has quite a few upgrades, but not everything that Scout offers. It has the diesel heater option from the factory, which is a great cost-effective way to make your camper comfortable in the winter. You would be hard-pressed to build your own heating setup for less money that functions this well. This unit also has the bilateral bed rail runners. These can act as an extra piece of protection for the lower portion of the camper and the tie-down ratchets, but are also a great place to mount extra gear like skis or boards. Moving inside, the first thing you notice is the Goose Gear cabinetry. Goose Gear is a premium storage and cabinetry brand from California that partnered with Scout to offer upfitted cabinetry that you or a professional shop like us can install after you take delivery of your camper. Scout does also make their own galley cabinets similar to the other models, but again, this is not included and would be an optional upgrade from the factory. This unit also includes the Hakey skylight, which is great for extra sunlight, but also an easy way to climb onto the roof of the camper. It also has the Dometic Fantastic vent, which is powered by the optional Goal Zero 1500X power pack. This unit was also outfitted with Scout's lighting and wiring upgrade, which again is not standard on this camper like it is with the other models. The only upgrades this camper does not have are the bunk windows, the Dometic 45-liter fridge freezer, and the Lifesaver jerry can. So there you have it. The Tuktut slide-in camper from Scout Campers is one unique and lightweight rig. We've shown you the base model, perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want a blank canvas to create their dream setup. And then there's the well-outfitted version with all the bells and whistles, including the diesel heater, Goose Gear cabinetry, and more. If you're already a fan of Scout Campers, the Tuktut may seem a little bit different, but that's what makes it so special. And with the base model starting at $16,500, it's a sweet deal, especially if you're the type who wants to bring their own flair and customization to the camper. So whether you're a DIY guru or looking for a camper that's ready to roll with all the upgrades, the Tuktut has got something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this tour, and as always, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments how you would build out your Tuktut. We'd love to hear your great ideas. And again, happy camping, and see you on the next one.